Ahoy, this is Dinka. Cinematic travel B-roll is on agenda today. I'm gonna be filming with DJI OM5 and iPhone 13 Pro. We haven't filmed with DJI OM5 for a while. I traveled myself a little bit, 20 minutes towards Toronto, where I found this beautiful Liverpool beach. You can see this nice architecture behind me. There is a marina, some boats are already in the water, beautiful beach and lighthouse. This video is sponsored by Epidemic Sound. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be filming everything in DJI Mimo in automatic mode. Majority of the footage will be filmed at 60 frames per second. Some of the clips might be slowed down. If I wanted to save on space, I would be filming in 24 frames per second. But because I want to slow down some of the clips, it's going to be filmed at 60 frames per second and then exported on 24 frames per second timeline. So I'm going to start with some revealing shots first and just to establish the location. Gimbal is set to all follow mode. This simple reveal is filmed with a standard lens. Majority of the footage today will be filmed with that lens. When it comes to travel B-roll, think of it as a tour, a walkthrough, showing off the best. A very cinematic shot is a street reveal through branches. When you attempt a shot like that, make sure you lock the focus on a far distance for the foreground to appear blurry. And because it is supposed to be fun summer video, we're gonna do a little bit of a FPV shots. This shot will be just crossing across the road when there is no cars going on. So this one is shot with regular standard lens and tilt lock mode. Including as much color as possible will make it look very holiday-like, summer-like. Rich red, blue, white, green, yellow. Ultra-low angles are not the views we normally see. Always a gem. I'm using tilt lock mode. Telephoto lens will give you a very different view as there is compression. Just remember to move very slowly if you are filming with that lens. Getting some movement like cars driving by is a bonus. I moved to another spot, very quiet spot where the boats are moving. So as the sun is in my back, you see a beautiful sky, everything is lit up properly. I'm gonna be doing some shots with standard lens, and the mode I'm gonna be using is a tilt lock because I don't want the camera to go up and down. One thing about this location, everybody is so nice and everybody is just saying hello and good morning and just such a relaxed environment. I'm seeing this beautiful walkthrough. I'm gonna shoot it with two lenses, first ultra wide angle lens and then just regular standard lens. I'm gonna lift it very high in the air and just keep going straight. The mode I'm using right now is tilt lock mode. I purposely filmed with both lenses to show you the difference. Ultra wide angle lens always shows off these type of settings better. Details and details. Be ready to capture up close. This boat certainly feels relaxing just looking at it. For this shot, I chose follow mode. This little chip truck in the summer is full of people. A lot of kids. I think that they have little ice creams there too, not just fries, but anyways, people walking by already talking about it, hoping that it's gonna reopen. They're gonna bring all the goodies there. So, must capture. Taking advantage of leading lanes, as these radians offer me, I can go curved. So my aim is to go very low with the camera with the standard lens and just show the shapes. The music you are listening to is from Epidemic Sound. I have used them for a number of years. Their library is massive and they get fresh music all the time. They own 100% of their music, so you don't have to worry that you'll receive a copyright strike or takedown. You can use it on social media such as Facebook and Instagram, and also on monetized YouTube channels. What makes them unique is the fact that you can download not only full songs, but also separate stems. You can choose between personal and commercial plans. If you sign up with Epidemic Sound by using the link below the video in a video description, you will receive a free 1-month trial. You will also find a discount code for 50% off if you sign up for an annual subscription for the personal plan. Any music you will use during the trial will remain safe and protected, even if you cancel your subscription after your trial month is over. Thank you very much, Epidemic Sound, for making this video possible. Whenever I'm shooting tourist location like this, my approach is to film everything around me, like I'm in a big bubble, and I look what's above me, I look what's underneath me, I look what's forward, I go low, I go high. I don't want to miss any angles. Lookout spots. Never film only one. I saw several beautiful lookout spots and filmed all of them. You just never know what you will need once you start editing. The advantage of smartphone is that they are so tiny, you can fit it through anything. So this is a great shot right here. Color and shape, circle. These 3 shots have been filmed in tilt lock mode. One thing I noticed that the stabilization with the DJI OM5 in DJI Mimo has improved since last year. There has been no warp stabilization applied to this video. I believe that we have enough of shots, so let's add some music and color grading and let's take a look. Well, give it a thumbs up if you liked today's video, and don't forget to subscribe for more. If you have any questions, comments, simply want to say hi or ahoy, you can leave it below, and I'll see you, my friends, in the next one. Ciao, ahoy.